Executing test cases in Xray for Jira involves running predefined tests to validate requirements or features and recording the results. Here's how to execute test cases in Xray. Create test execution. Navigate to your Jira project where the test cases are defined. Click on Create and select Test Execution as the issue type. Fill in the details such as the summary, description, and environment. Add test cases to the execution. In the test execution issue, locate the test section. Click on the Add Test button. You can add tests individually or use filters to add multiple tests that meet specific criteria. These tests will now be associated with this particular test execution. Execute test cases. Open the test execution issue. In the test section, you will see a list of test cases. Click on a test case to begin execution. This opens the test execution screen where each test step is listed. For each step, mark it as pass, fail, or blocked and provide comments or attachments if needed. Record and save results. Once all steps are executed, update the overall test case status to reflect the final results. Save the execution results. The status will be updated in the test execution issue. Review and report. After executing all test cases, review the results in the test execution issue. Generate reports to analyze test results and coverage.